Imagine a world where mosquitoes don't bite you because tiny AI microdrones take them out before they even land. Well, that world is no longer science fiction. A new startup has built 40-gram microdrones designed to hunt down mosquitoes mid-air. Yes, mosquito hunter drones. Each drone uses a mix of smartphone microphones, ultrasonic parking sensors, and AI-powered signal processing to detect the unique wing beat frequency of a mosquito. The moment it identifies one, it zeroes in, locks on, and neutralizes it with precision. The idea is to make pest control smarter, faster, and far more targeted, without chemicals, without fogging, without harming other insects. But here's the interesting part. For something as annoying as a mosquito, this feels like an incredibly high-tech solution, a bit like using a missile when a fly swatter would do. And it raises a much bigger question. If AI can track, locate, and eliminate something as tiny and unpredictable as a mosquito, what happens when someone decides to aim that capability at bigger targets? That's the future we're walking into, where precision tracking, autonomy, and micro AI engineering become part of everyday life. And whether that's reassuring or terrifying depends entirely on who controls the technology. If you found this story eye-opening, share this video, because most people have no idea how advanced micro-autonomous systems have already become. The more informed we are, the better we can shape the future. Thanks for watching. This is News Creators.